Lagos radio presenter said I can't make it in music industry rapping in Igbo. Illbliss. Popular rapper Tobechukwu Ejiofor, aka Illbliss, has recounted an encounter with a Lagos radio presenter during his days as an underground artist. The Ayepogon hitmaker shared that the radio presenter predicted that he wouldn't be successful in the mega city music industry because he rapped mainly in Igbo. Speaking in a recent episode of the Real Shared Other podcast, Illbliss said, "When I came to Lagos, I made a record titled Igbo Boy. Then a radio presenter called me and said, 'What are you trying to do? You can't make it here. You have come here with an agenda, Homo Igbo.' Then he broke off into field Yoruba. At that point, I was already hearing Yoruba. It was like, when you can't beat them, you join them. The music is good, you won't make it far." The song wasn't even offensive. It was about how Igbo people like to have a good time. Just looking at that guy, it made me feel terrible. It made me feel like we can disguise all we want about being one nation, but the tribal diversion are incredible to handle. Karima Tadfata reporting from Wisdom Television.